Hello, my name is Gabrielle Feldman and I am a student at St. Petersburg College in the Bachelor's of Science in Nursing degree program, presenting you this presentation on the application of Murmur Pro. The Murmur Pro application was developed by HIPAASoft, LLC. It is designed as a learning tool for medical students who struggle with heart sounds. This application is intended to be used as a repetitious review of 23 different heart sounds with built-in quizzes to help medical students learn them. While the Murmur Pro was originally intended for medical students, nurses can benefit from this application as well. This application shows you location where the murmur sound is heard the best, brief description of the murmur, etiology, pathophysiology, clinical presentation, physical exam findings, diagnostic tools, and treatment options for 23 different heart murmurs. While it is out of the scope of practice for nurses to diagnose and treat patients, we are expected to assess, analyze, interpret, and evaluate our patient's condition through critical thinking skills in order to avoid adverse events and patient harm. This application is a great learning tool for nurses to better understand different heart murmurs in order to better care for their patients and enhance critical thinking skills. The Murmur Pro application is designed for operating system iOS 4.3 or later, with optimal use on the iPhone 5. This application can be purchased through iTunes for $2.99 and is compatible with Apple products such as the iPhone, the iPad, or the iPod Touch. It is very easy to use. Once the application is purchased and downloaded onto your device, simply open the app and let your fingers do the clicking. No input necessary for this application. You can simply click on the heart murmur you want to learn more about and quiz yourself later with the swipe of a finger. Because the information is readily available with the tap of the screen and very few screens to navigate through, this application is built for fast and easy use. The Murmur Pro application is designed as a learning tool. Upon first opening the application, you have to click Agree or Disagree to their Terms of Service and Disclaimer page before it opens the application. All of this information can be reviewed at any time in the application itself by scrolling to the Info page. HIPAASoft does not warrant and express claims that the information provided is up to date, complete, or accurate. The Murmur Pro app is not meant for definitive diagnostic purposes, is not to substitute for clinical judgment or standard of care, and is not responsible for misdiagnosis. The authors and producers of HIPAASoft disclaims any liability, loss, or damage caused by it or its content. By clicking the Agree button, you accept these terms to the use of this application. As with any application, it is important to take the information learned as supplemental knowledge. Primary knowledge should come from resources that are reliable and credible. While this application has certain limitations, such as requiring iOS 4.3 operating system, needing an Apple product, and the legalities previously discussed, it is still a good product for nurses to use who have the opportunity. Due to its easy accessibility and use, readily available information, and inexpensive cost, the Murmur Pro is a great learning tool for nurses. The Murmur Pro, again, is a great learning device not only for medical students but nurses as well. It is affordable, fast, and easy to use. As a nurse, it is our job to be our patient's advocate. Education can enhance a nurse's critical thinking skills as it allows them to interpret, analyze, and evaluate the situation using evidence to form their judgment. By using our critical thinking skills, we can be an advocate for our patients when communicating with the doctor.